backup. Now there's 100 different plugins that do this. For this example, we're going to be using Updraft Plus. So what you're going to do is go on the left side of your dashboard, go to where it says plugins, select add new, type in Updraft Plus, install now, and then this is going to say activate in a moment, and select activate. Once you have it added, go to your settings and then go down to Updraft Plus Backups. And you're going to want to create a backup of your entire website. So this is what you see. Go ahead, click through it. Okay, so you're going to want to say backup now. And you're going to want to back up everything that you see. After you run this plugin, you're going to want to go to the second tab where it says existing backups, and you see where it says database, plugins, themes, uploads, others. You're going to want to go through each one and download them onto your computer and save them. Once you add Updraft Plus to the new WordPress dev site, go ahead here where it says current status. You see backup now, restore, clone, migrate, and select restore. And then upload backup files. Here's where you're going to drag the files that you downloaded from your live site. So all these files that we've downloaded onto our computer, and you're going to import them here. So let's go ahead and do that. This is going to take a little bit of time, so I'll go ahead and pause this video. So we've added our files, there were 5 of them, and you can see how big these files are. And it's currently uploading it into our dev site, and once this is done, we'll be able to hit refresh, and we will have a duplicate of our live site where we're able to work from. Alright, this is the moment of truth. All of our backups are now in the dev site, and all we have to do is click restore. Select every option that you see, and restore. Give it a couple moments to do what it has to do. And then say yes, restore, and then you're going to want to hit refresh and see if this site is an exact duplicate of your live site.